Is your oily skin preventing you from wearing makeup? Follow these steps if you want to prevent your makeup from getting too greasy and oily, especially if you have oily skin. First, you need to make sure you're starting out on a clean canvas. So I'm cleaning my face with micellar water on a cotton pad. And next, I'm going in with a lightweight moisturizer. Moisturizing is very important even for oily skin girlies because it helps reduce the oil production in your skin. Just make sure you're using an oil-free moisturizer. Next, I'm going in with a mattifying primer, putting it over my face and concentrating in on my T-zone areas where I get very oily. As you can see, my skin is really glowing for my skin prep, so I'm going in with a thin layer of translucent powder just to reduce the shine and to make it matte and also to make sure my makeup lasts long. Now I'm going in with just one pump of foundation. You don't need a lot of foundation, but if you want more foundation, you can go ahead and do what works best for you. This method minimizes the appearance of my pores and make my makeup base look so flawless. This is the side with proper skin prep and this is the side without skin prep. Do you see any difference? And will you be trying this out? Please let me know.